any substring of s with length k. Okay, means the substring length should be k, and you have to find the maximum number of vowels in it. Okay, so the first substring is abc, in which there is only one vowel. So we will move forward. bci, in which there is only one I, which is one vowel, and cii there is two vowels. Okay, and I, there is three I, so the vowel is three. So you have to return the maximum number of vowel in a string, okay, of length k. And again you will move forward iid, in which two I is contained, so the vowel count is two. And again IDE, two vowels, and DEF only one vowel. So the maximum number of vowel is contained in string I, 3I. Okay, so you have to return the number of vowels. So let's do this. First, in this question I will create a count of max vowel, in which I will count the vowels, okay, which is initially 0. And then again I create a left pointer, which is at initially 0th position, and vowel is also 0. This is the max vowel, and this is vowel. Okay, and then I will do the for loop. Then I will do the for loop, which will start from 0 to n minus, which is n. And then I will check if the first element is vowel or not. I will create a bool function, in which I will pass all the a, e, I, o, u, and check whether the first element or all the element is vowel or not. I will check. First I will check, and if it is vowel, then I will do the vowel plus plus. Okay, I will do vowel plus plus, and then I will do if I minus left plus 1 is equals to k. Okay, plus 1 is equals to k. If it is, then I have to do max vowel mein I will store the count of max vowel and vowel. Okay, I just have to store the vowel. So if I write the code, then I hope you understand clearly. In board I can't able to write properly, so in code I will explain every situation in it. So let's do this. Int max vowel is equals to 0 and left equals to 0, and vowel will also 0. Okay, and then for int int right equals to 0 comma right should be less than s dot length. Okay, and then right plus plus. I will check if it is vowel s of, I will check if it is vowel s of right. If it is vowel, then I just have to do vowel plus plus. Okay, if right minus left plus 1, if right minus left, I will check if right minus left plus is equals to k, then I just have to do max vowel equals to maximum of max vowel comma vowel. and again I will check if is vowel comma s left. If it is vowel, then I will do vowel minus minus. Okay, I will do vowel minus minus, else left plus plus. You just have to do return. After this you just have to return max vowel. This will store the count of vowel. Okay, and for this you just have to write the is vowel function. So let's do this. Bool is vowel, you just have to pass the char c, character c, and then you just have to return c equals to a, or c equals to a, c equals to I, c equals to o, and then c equals to u. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, there is an error. Is vowel. Okay, again there is 2n. Vowel minus minus. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this.